Hi, my name's Stephen Biller. I work at the William S. Schmidt Center, and I'd like to provide you some steps to help upload your students' photos to iNaturalist with the easiest way we know of now. So, what you want to start is by getting to Google Photos. The first thing we're going to do is create an album so your students can share the photos they take for the BioBlitz to you in one central location. And if you've never been to Google Photos, what you need to do is from your homepage, using your PGCPS teacher account, click on the 9 boxes in the corner, and that's going to take you to all the Google Suite options. You have to scroll down to find Google Photos. Now, I've already created our album, but I'm going to show you how to, if you wanted to start from scratch, how you would do it. So you're going to go to Albums. You can see that on the left side here. And now you might have some albums that you've made or people have shared with you. You want to create a new album. That's in this plus sign Create Album in the top right corner. Now, once you click on this, they're going to ask you to put a name in. And once you put your name, it should be your school. So it'd be school name BioBlitz 2024. That way you know your school. Now this is live. If you have photos you'd like to upload from your schoolyard already, you can. Otherwise, you can just get out of that, back click out, and that's done. Now, you can see here, school name BioBlitz is here. Now, what you're going to want to do once you have this created, even without any names, it's automatically, once you type it in, it's live. You're going to want to go to Options. Now, options, you're going to want to have link sharing on so other people can work with you. And now once you can close this, make sure photo location is shared. Hopefully that works. And then you want to invite people to join you in this album. Here you can go down. Let me show that again if I went too fast. Click on the plus that's over here. That's next to me. And you're going to copy the link. And you can go ahead and hit copy here. Now you have that link copied, you can go ahead and put that link anywhere you like. If you have a Google Classroom or a Canvas location, anywhere where the students can access it easily. You could even make a tiny URL from that link so your students could type in the website in a shorter version. Now, once you have this done, I'm going to switch over. You're going to have your students upload photos to that Google Photos. And let's say we're done with it. And here's my Schmidt's BioBlitz PD 2024 video animals. These are the images that I want to upload to iNaturalist now in one package from my schoolyard, from our 1 or 2 day BioBlitz, and upload these to iNaturalist for experts to be able to identify. So what I need to do is go to my iNaturalist account. You can see I've already logged in. If you don't have this account now, you will definitely have one before you leave our PD tonight. And what I'm going to do is click on Upload. Actually, I'm sorry. Let me back up 1 second. I did forget one thing. Before we go there, we have to download all of these photos to our computer. So I'm going to, again, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and click Download All. Now here, these photos, because of the amount of memory they take up, they're going to download as a zip file. So I'm going to actually unload the zip file, unzip it, and then I'm going to have my folder on my desktop with all the images that I had in my Google Photos account. The more images you have, the longer this is going to take. And that's why we want the students to be the first round of selection before they send them to you. They shouldn't send every picture they took. They should just send the best. That way it's not clogging up your computer with unnecessary images. Now I've downloaded all my photos. Now I can go to upload, and I'm going to find that folder. It should be in my downloads unless you've changed it. So I'm going to choose my file. And I found my folder here, and I'm going to select on all of these images. So I was able to select on one. One was in Apple format, so that's an important point. Make sure your images are going to be in JPEG or other more shareable formats. You don't want to have anything .heic, which is an Apple-only picture format. Now that I've selected all my pictures and they've been uploaded to iNaturalist, I have to do one more thing. You can see that we did have location sharing on when we made this, but it didn't actually share the location. So what I'm going to do now is go into my location, and I'm going to type in the William Schmidt Center, right here, William Schmidt Outdoor Education Center. And now I can update all my observations at once with the location of my school. This is a great trick if you have a lot of different photos to upload. You don't have to go through and add the locations if it didn't get submitted when you uploaded the photos. So now, as a group, as a class, you could take time and then go through and start identifying the individual species the best of your ability. If you're not sure exactly what it is, you could be very vague: grasses, flowers, butterfly. And then once you have that done to the best of your ability, go ahead and hit submit. And now you've added these to your iNaturalist account. Make sure you're putting these into the correct tag. We'll talk a little bit more about that down here. You're going to go to your project, and it's going to be the BioBlitz that we talk about tonight. So you'll have your own little project tag here. All right. Well, I hope this video helps you when you have to do, when it's time to do this. We will have a PD after the BioBlitz to help you upload these images. All right. Take care.